Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to change font color on Weebly. As you can see right here, I'm on my Weebly website. Now, if you would like to change the font color for a section, for example, right here, this heading, you can simply highlight the section by simply dragging your mouse over it, your cursor. Once you have done that, you will see a capital A. You are going to tap on the capital A and you will see the option change color. Then from the color options, you can select the color that you would like to change it to. For example, this color right here. Then if I should tap on it, you can see that the color has changed. And that's it. That's how to change font color on Weebly website. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.